Welcome to Milk Masters on the Move. I'm Michelle.
And I'm Chef Dwight.
We're out here enjoying the great outdoors while showing you how easy it is to cook with dairy anywhere. This is how they did it in medieval times. For this episode, Dwight and I decided to put our skills to the test. So we've prepared some mystery coolers for each other for our last meal of the day.
Yogurt?
Yep.
Okay.
We'll see what ingredients we've got and then cook a recipe on the spot.
I'm excited.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's do it.
I cannot wait to see what you packed for me.
What do you got?
What is this?
That's mascarpone.
Oh, nice. Okay.
Yeah.
What do you got in yours?
Let's check this out. So I've got, yogurt from this morning.
Yeah, I had some left over.
All right. What else?
Lady fingers. I see where you're going with this.
Exactly. And chicken breast. I can definitely work with yogurt and chicken breast.
Okay.
Let's go. So if I'm doing chicken and I have yogurt, I absolutely have to marinate it immediately. So we're gonna get this diced up. We're gonna get this smothered in delicious local yogurt. So marinating the chicken in yogurt, not only does it impart a little bit of flavor, it also tenderizes the meat.
I'm gonna just start by brewing some coffee, right there like that. So I had mascarpone and ladyfingers in my mystery cooler, so I'm gonna make tiramisu. I'm just gonna add a little bit of fresh local Ontario sour cream to my mascarpone to loosen it up and to add some tangy flavor.
I'm gonna go with the yogurt from this morning, straight in. Okay, so it looks like you left me some spices. Let's check these out. So we're gonna marinate the chicken with all these beautiful spices. Get them all right in there.
Those are the spices I had offhand.
Yep. But you can use other things. Yogurt's the star of the show here. So we wanna just get this really well mixed. I'm gonna take it to the fridge in the RV.
Nice.
And let this marinate.
Sweet. I'm just gonna add some sugar to our mascarpone and sour cream mixture. Another irreplaceable part of this tiramisu is whipping cream. I'd usually use an electric mixer, but I'm gonna whip it by hand.
Okay, and I saw that you left me some spinach, so I'm gonna do a really quick cream spinach.
Love.
Do it.
You really need to put some elbow grease into whipping cream by hand.
Seriously.
This is how they did it in medieval times.
That's true. All right, first things first. We've gotta get our butter in there. I love a good sizzle. Oh, look at that. That's the perfect temperature. High quality butter here. Even look at the color of it. You can just tell it's really good stuff. We're gonna put a good handful of that spinach right in there. And you think I can steal some of that cream from you? Or do you need more?
No, it's all yours.
Oh, thank you. We're gonna add a little bit of cream right in here. Oh, look at that. The cream is gonna really help finish cooking that spinach down. And it's also gonna give us a little bit of nice flavor, richness, and mouthfeel.
I mean, it is cream spinach after all, right?
Let's go.
Okay, so I have my mascarpone sugar sour cream mixture here, my whipped cream and vanilla mixture, and I'm just gonna fold the two together. This is gonna create such a silky, beautiful, creamy filling for the tiramisu. The reason that this is so delicious is because it has the rich, fatty mascarpone cheese, the tangy sour cream, and then the lightness of the whipped cream to fold it all together.
I love it. Looks amazing.
You wanna try it?
You know what? I'm gonna get my hands in chicken, but I'm gonna try it right after.
It's so good.
So I'm gonna go ahead and make little skewers here.
One of the things that make tiramisu really good is strong coffee, and that's why I use the mocha. And now we're just gonna dip our ladyfingers in the strong coffee. I have my coffee dipped ladyfingers in this jar already, and then I'm just gonna layer my silky, delicious, rich mascarpone right on top. I'm almost finished these.
Yeah.
How are you doing?
I see that. I am about to get the chicken on. Little butter right on the flat top.
Nice.
And the butter's gonna add so much to this. It's gonna add that richness. It's gonna add that flavor.
And like the tar, you're gonna want that tar, right?
That's the sound that you want. Oh yeah. Now, this is actually looking perfect right now. We've got this cream spinach. You can see how the cream's kind of infused with that spinach.
Yeah, I can see.
And then I've got like a locally made aged cheddar that's gonna go in this. and it's just gonna take it to a different level.
What kind of level? Level like 11?
This is already a 9.
Okay.
This takes it to a 12.
Mm.
Exactly.
Oh,
That's gonna
nice.
go straight in, and I'm gonna leave this off the heat just to kind of infuse. I don't want
Yeah.
to cook it anymore.
That residual heat will like kind of melt that cheese in.
Exactly. And now I can just focus on these beautiful skewers.
I think often people are intimidated by a tiramisu, but you just saw how easy it is to make. Anyone can do this on a campsite, in a kitchen. Like, bring it to swim practice.
That's looking good.
It's nice, right?
We're gonna give these a nice flip. Michelle, look at the char on these. Yeah, the butter's really doing the work here. Really nice char. It's singing.
What's it saying?
It's saying.
What's the song? Sing it to me.
It's saying I'm tender. And a little bit more
Nice.
butter just to kind of
Yeah.
go through that.
You can never have too much, can you?
No. That's what we're looking for. It just needs to cook one more side and we are good.
You know, sometimes you go out into the woods with an RV and a friend and some dairy, and you don't know what's gonna happen. And then you make beautiful things and amazing memories.
Yep, I'm not gonna forget this one.
I also just wanna say that you taught me a lot today.
Really?
Yeah. You taught me about how to make a chowder-inspired sauce. You showed me what true friendship looks like. You showed me how to take a 9 to a 12.
There we go. Friends for life.
These are looking done.
These are looking done, and that's why I'm taking them off.
I'm hungry.
Let's plate this up. All right, let's go eat.
Yes. Ah, thank you.
One for me.
Looks so beautiful. I'd say the mystery cooler challenge went pretty well.
I would say that we both kind of nailed it.
Yeah.
Yeah, dairy kind of saved the day. We've got the yogurt from this morning for the chicken. We've got cream and a little bit of milk and some really high quality cheese. Can't go wrong.
It's true. And then we have sour cream, mascarpone, and heavy cream in here. Like, it's just so much delicious dairy.
I love that.
Well, can we dig in? Wow. That chicken is so tender. All the spices with the dairy, it pairs so well.
Yes.
This creamy, delicious spinach on the side. The dairy gives it layers of flavor. You get the creaminess from the heavy cream, and then like that sophistication from the cheese.
Exactly.
Should we just try the tiramisu? I just can't wait.
I think you're right. Cheers.
Yeah, cheers.
That's really good.
Yeah, it's really nice.
You can taste the sour cream,
It gives it depth of flavor.
but it's also really nice and rich and light at the same time. It's amazing.
My whipping skills.
You know what you're doing.
That's it for this season of Milk Masters on the Move.
Check out the first 2 episodes to see how we brought local dairy on the move.
And for more delicious recipes made with local dairy, head to milk.org.
All right, so let's just take these tiramisus and go light that fire.
Yeah, agree.
Let's go.
Okay.
1 second, guys. 1 second. There was a piece of paper on the bottom of the pan.
People thought it was unsafe for me to cut wood. Okay.